Meaning of Edmund Spenser.
Edmund Spenser.
Edmund Spenser.
Edmund Spenser.
Edmund Spenser. Edmund Spenser was an English poet who lived during the Renaissance period. He is best known for his epic poem, The Faerie Queene, which tells the story of several knights on a quest to embody virtues like holiness, temperance, and chastity. Spenser's work was highly regarded in his time and he served as a court poet for Queen Elizabeth I. Even today, Spenser's work continues to be studied and appreciated for its intricate language, symbolism, and exploration of human virtues.